channel. I'm Tracy. In case you are new to my channel, I do invite you to subscribe down below. I feel like you guys memorized my intro. And also turn on post notifications so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. This month and next month I am doing giveaways, so it's good to be notified every time I do have a new video in case I do mention the giveaway or the giveaway winner. If you missed out on my first impressions video using the Jeffree Star palette, I'm gonna go ahead and link it up above here. And for today's look, I did this look here. I feel like it's really wearable. And then on the lips, I wanted to do something that matched the palette. I used all of the eyeshadows that I did not use on my first impressions video, just so that I get an understanding of how the eyeshadows blend and how they work and perform on the eye. And by doing that, I'm also able to do a more in-depth review on the palette. So if you are interested in seeing how I came about this look, then just keep watching.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you. Set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
The first color that I'm going to pick up is this one here called Martian Soil. And I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild fluffy blending brush. It's really, really fluffy, as you guys can see. So far, I'm not having a problem blending this color out. I am taking this pretty high up on my brow bone. I really want the color to really show through, so I'm going to switch over to a different brush because this one is a little bit too fluffy. It's really perfect for blending, but it's not intensifying the eyeshadow like I would like it to. I'm using a smaller blending brush by Morphe, and I'm just going to show you guys the comparison of the tips of these brushes here. And then now you guys can see a little bit more of that color showing through. Okay, I lied. I did intensify it quite a bit more. This eyeshadow is really, really buildable. I really like the fact that this eyeshadow can be like really subtle if you just do like a one-time little blending motion. But if you really want to build that color, it just applies so pretty. Okay, now for sure, let's move on to the next color. Okay, boys and girls, the next color that I'm going to be taking is X-Files, and that's this one here. I really don't want to mess up the little imprint that's in here, but all of my little stars are going away now because I'm using this palette, but that's what a palette's meant for. I'm going to be using the Luxie 121 mini tapered brush. I'm really going to focus that eyeshadow at my crease. This is blending really nice. I'm not having an issue with this, and you can definitely see that it's pigmented. And I'm still not experiencing any fallout. I know this is one of the eyeshadows that I swatched in my previous videos, and it swatched really patchy. I'm honestly really bad at swatching, or these eyeshadows just don't swatch well, and I don't think every eyeshadow swatches perfectly. I do have some amazing palettes that also don't swatch well. The next brush that I'm going to be using is this Morphe brush here. It doesn't have a number because I bought it in a set, but I just want to show you guys what it looks like. I'm going to show you here the Sigma Pencil E30 brush. As you can see, they're both very different as far as how fluffy they are. So this one is a lot more fluffy. This is more precise for a cut crease. I'm going to use the color Ghost OG. That's like a really intense dark gray, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply it in here. That almost looks black. It looks really beautiful though. It's blending like a dream. I am getting a little bit of fallout, not too bad though. I'm going to start packing it on at this outer part here. And I want it to be really soft out here, so I'm just diffusing it with a blending brush. I promised you guys a soft look, and I'm going all dark here. I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape and one of my painting brushes. I got this one from Michaels, and it's just kind of really precise to cut my crease. And I just want to do the outlining of the crease. I'm not really going to do the whole eye. gonna be dipping into this Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm with a little Q-tip, and then removing all the eyeshadow from my lid. It doesn't have to be completely, I just want to remove the darkest eyeshadow from the lid because I don't want that to come through when I apply the concealer over. I really want my next eyeshadow just to pop through. I'm going to take the color Titan on a firm shader brush. This is the Sigma E57. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to this inner part of the cut crease. With the same firm shader brush, I'm going to go ahead and just dip into this color here called Interstellar. And for this eyeshadow, I'm going to go ahead and spray it and just begin tapping that onto the lid. In the center here. I'm lightly brushing it through, but still tapping motions on here. And then going over it with my finger. I feel like it looks more vibrant when you do apply it with your finger. So after I blended that out, I'm just tapping on the same eyeshadow. I'm going to go back in with this color, the Ghost OG, and using the Sigma E30 pencil brush. And just going back into this crease here because I feel like we lost that previous color. Moving on, I really want to use this Space Cowboy eyeshadow and taking the same firm shader brush, and I'm just spraying it with some Tarte setting spray. And I'm just beginning to blend that in here. I switched over to this Luxie 131 mini flat angled brush, and I'm just packing it on and bringing it in. I was going for a subtle look and then it turned into this, so I'm gonna definitely do the next one. It's gonna be like a daytime, like wearable look. This is totally wearable, but just like for like a night out or something. So yeah, sorry guys, I tried. I'm gonna take the same dark gray eyeshadow with the Ghost OG and then just begin tapping this at the outer corners of the eye, just to darken it up a little bit. I'm just applying some mascara. This is the Sinosity mascara by Sigma Beauty. I'm going to be applying this pastel lime green eyeliner to my waterline. And this eyeliner is by Ruby Kiss Cosmetics. They are a new makeup line that just came out at your local Walmart, so you guys can definitely check them out. They're very affordable and their eyeliners work really, really good. I have their black one, which you guys have probably seen me use in my videos. I really want to play with this eyeshadow here called Flying Saucer, and I'm taking this on the Luxie 141 mini round brush and just applying that eyeshadow right underneath my waterline. This eyeshadow has some kickback to it. I don't know if you guys can see it flying around in the air, but oh my god, look at the pigmentation of this eyeshadow. It is beautiful. I'm going to pick up the color Abduction on this mini tapered brush and blend that underneath Flying Saucer. Now I'm gonna pop on some lashes, and literally I've worn these on almost all my videos. They're just hanging on to the last strand. These are the Baddington lashes. These are the Monroe Silk lashes. When I apply lashes, I like to pinch them with my tweezers. Pinch them along with my lashes so that they stick together. My mascara sticks onto the fake ones and they stay together. I'm just gonna apply some liquid eyeliner over the top of the eyelashes. For blush, I'm gonna be taking this Coral Kaboom Carroty Blush Balm, and I'm gonna take the shade Gorgeous, which is that center one right there, and just apply it right here to the apples of my cheeks. This is really pigmented, so just apply very little to the brush. I'm going to set the face with this MAC Fix Plus. For highlighter, I'm going to be using the Collective Cosmetics highlighter, and this is like a golden shade here. On the lips, I'm going to be using this Pixie Peony, what is it called? Peony Pink? Peony? peony pink. I feel like this color is going to match the Alien palette. Let me go ahead and see if it does. Ooh, it basically does. Okay guys, and that's it for this look. I really hope that you guys did enjoy it. If you do recreate any of my looks, please tag me on my Instagram. I would love to share your work with my following. Throughout the tutorial, I kind of gave you guys my thoughts in regards to the performance of the eyeshadows. I have no complaints here with the eyeshadows that I did use on my eyes today. The only eyeshadow that I did have a problem with was the, which one was it? The Area 51, which is this purple eyeshadow here that you guys seen me review in my last video. The eyeshadows do have some kickback to it. Whenever you do apply it to your brush, make sure that you tap off any excess and you won't have a problem with fallout or anything like that. Just because these swatches came out really patchy in my last review, that doesn't mean that these eyeshadows didn't work well. You guys seen how easy they were to blend on the eye. And overall, I'm just really pleased with this palette so far, and I still have a few eyeshadows that I haven't put to use, which I will in my following video, so stay tuned for that. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give my video a thumbs up. Like I always say, giving my video a thumbs up does help my video get out there and be seen by other people, so I really appreciate your guys' love and support here. And I feel like we're building a little community here. I love seeing your guys' comments, I love engaging with you guys and getting to know you guys and knowing what you guys like to see here on my channel. So thank you so much for your engagement, and I don't want to continue saying thank you, so I'll just see you guys in my next video. But before you leave, make sure that you do check out my videos right over here, and also if you hit this little circle right here, it subscribes you to my channel in case you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.